to my webinar. The subject of my webinar today is CAD GPT. This is an CAD expert system, and you can use this expert system for all CAD systems, but we made it mainly for AutoCAD and our own CAD system, CAD Direct. But before I will speak here a lot about this CAD GPT, I will try to tell you something about my person. Okay, so I'm an owner of the German company CAD Software GmbH. Okay, let me go here on the German page. This is my German company, and we develop in Germany software over 30 years long for a CAD system, add-on software. I was working also a lot of years on a famous German university in Aachen. Okay, I show you this university, WTH. This is this famous Aachen University. I was working at this university a lot of years as a scientist, exactly in the area of artificial intelligence. I own the company Back2CAD here in the US. Back2CAD. This is my US company, and in this company we developed software Print2CAD, CADGPT, and CAD Direct. I own also the company Expert Robotics. This company, this is a new company. In this company we, expert.com here. In this company we develop only the artificial intelligence methods for CAD systems. This is a new company. We have a lot of new products for Expert Robotics, and I'm also direct on board by IntelliCAD. What is IntelliCAD? IntelliCAD.com. I'm one of the directors of IntelliCAD, and in IntelliCAD, IntelliCAD.com. So Intelli.com consortium, we develop together a CAD system for a CAD system with the name CAD Direct. And you see here's my company Back2CAD, and I'm also direct on board by IntelliCAD. See, a lot to do. So they have more reality about my person. My native language is German and Polish. I born in a family. My mother was German, my father was Polish, so I speak both languages perfect. And now I'm working over 6 years long here in the US in the area of artificial intelligence. It is very interesting that about 4 years ago, we was trying to contact a lot of CAD developers so that they are doing this CAD artificial intelligence with us together. There was really no interest. After in November last year, Microsoft released Cat GPT. You see, Microsoft released this Cat GPT first in November, on the 30th November 2022. It's booming. Like, everybody is speaking about artificial intelligence, and so Google, Amazon, Microsoft, they give you now the fantastic tools, and they are really amazing, and you can develop fantastic products. Now, based on our experiences from Expert Robotics and together with Microsoft, we are very proud on it that we are one of the first companies who get the commercial access to ChatGPT. Like, we have this commercial access to it, and we are also using ChatGPT 4, the new one. And what you see here, for example, this product is based on ChatGPT 4, Amazon artificial intelligence tools, and Expert Robotics artificial intelligence tools. So like, but you have to know this product is new. So like, this is almost 3 months old. We released it 3 months ago, and we of course working on this product. We have almost every month, every 2 months, new upgrade. We have a lot of new ideas. This is like very dynamic product, And so I'm very excited about the future, what we will offer here in about 1 year. We are working now on automatic artificial intelligence CAD drawing generation. We have a lot of another ideas about CAD and artificial intelligence methods, and our CAD Direct, our artificial intelligence CAD system for DWG files is really exploding. You can try it, but it's not the subject of our webinar today. So then I will try now to show you how you can use this CAD GPT in your CAD profession. And what I was doing here, I installed here on the server CADGPT, what we deliver in AutoCAD Exchange Shop. Like this form, what you see here of CADGPT is something what you can download by on our page as AutoCAD user and use it together with AutoCAD. Because this similar commands you will find in CAD Direct and maybe in other AutoCAD compatible products, but here I know the most users are AutoCAD users, so you can see here a lot of functions, a lot of methods for AutoCAD. Where you can download the product, you simply go on our page. The fastest way is go back to CAD.com, and here you can go on products CADGPT and download this one. If you want to use this product commercial, you have to pay for it $99 per year, because of course this software is using a lot of resources, and this is you pay for using of these resources here. So, but let me start here with something first. What is this GPT? You see in the press, you can see a lot of panic, a lot of info like Terminator is coming. Maybe there's also a lot of fear about it. Yeah, how it's coming? Yeah, I show you here something here. This is very look at this one. Okay, this guy tried to tell us he can levitate something. Okay, you can see. Okay, looks very good, yeah? Oh my God, look, he levitate. This is something, if you see it, immediately me and maybe another people are going a little bit in fear. What's going on? Can he levitate something? What's going on? How is doing it? Because the background of it, nobody knows the background of it, know how it is done. Later, if you see in this video, this guy explain you how he is doing it, and then at the end of the video, you are laughing about it, and oh my God, how was this? How I can be so in fear about it? This is simply so easy. The same is here like GPT. Now, look, for example, you go now to our avatar. She's looking on your she's looking here on your mouse. She almost can see you. And now we have a lot of support questions. Can your avatar see me? Can she read what I have on my computer? And like this is also a little bit fear about it. I promise you, we are not able to use your camera. We are not allowed to use camera. This is something what is more a trick. What you see here, it looks very like human, and she has, for example, a fantastic joke generator. This is what we was doing on the beginning here. We defined, for example, what can be funny, and she's using this method, what can be funny, to generate a text. There's nothing magic in this thing. And this is what happened now with CADGPT. Look, let me go here, for example, what is GTP? You have to know that first that Microsoft over the company OpenAI invest now is more than $10 billion in one project. This project is made by scientists. You see, this is nothing. This is a lot of work. There's nothing. What if you work in this area? This looks to be simple, you know. This is like like a cardiologist, yeah, you go to cardiologists and cardiologists give you a lot of methods and so on. You say, oh my God, how complicated. No, if you work on it, this looks very simple, but you have to be an expert on this area. And ChatGPT is nothing more like what is for ChatGPT? Let me check it here. So what is mean ChatGPT? So let me go here. The definition, you see GPT means generative pre-trained transformer. What it mean? That everything, every answer, and the answer you will find here in this artificial intelligence system is pre-trained. These systems are not creative. They are only this is only generative system, not creative system. Like it generates something what was pre-trained and transform it. What does it mean? Every text you will get is transformed from beginning, like in another form. Okay, generative pre-trained transformer. I will show you on our so that you a little bit more understand how it works. And of course, the questions and answers from artificial intelligence are so fantastic that maybe you will get an impression that this is something alive, something intelligent. Is not intelligent, it's not alive, it's not creative. This is a simple machine and simple as system, nothing more. And I show you how it works. Okay, for example, you can see to make this Cat of GTP, first you have to feed this Microsoft OpenAI system with your own data. This is what we did. I show you something what we upload to. You can see here a sample of our data, what we upload to ChatGPT. This is only one sample. You see, we upload over 120,000 different data about CAD, about CAD support, about CAD methods, everything. 100 till now, and we are working on it. Till the end of the year, we will upload maybe 200,000, 250,000 different data. This is one data, okay? This is very simple here. And you can see, for example, so can see here data about comment, create block. Where is this E? Why is not create block? This is, for example, lemmatization of this data. What is the lemmatization? You see comment creating block, comma to create block, about creating block. Like you lemmatize, let me go here on internet, look what is lemmatization, we will understand a little bit better how it works. You have to see lemmatization. What is lemmatization? So lemmatization is a method leading to process a grouping to words together. So this is the reason that it looks a little bit so strange if you upload it. And this is very simple. Like we upload this database, our database about all CAD methods, and now the engine of Cat GPT can give you an answer. For example, yeah, here's command create block. You can see it. Okay, now we can go to here and ask research commands. Create the block. So find the VJ command from creating the block. Creating, maybe creating a block. Okay. Okay, get command. Now we send it to our server, and now we have to understand our server is very busy. We have now a lot of requests every day, and we was not prepared for this thousands of requests in every hour. We are working on it. We will be faster and faster. Okay, so now the command for creating a block in AutoCAD is simple block, but now we can tell explain me the command more. So now we are going to next level. I will try to explain it to you. Okay, and here you will get not only the command about creating the block, we will tell you a lot about it. You can see now it takes it again a few minutes more, maybe 1 second, or now here. So the auto command, so here is how you use commands in steps. Type block, this is exactly written how you can create block in AutoCAD. And then on the end that you can Remember, once a block is created, you can insert in your drawing as many times as you need using insert commands and typing a block. Like you can learn about the CAD system, AutoCAD here a lot using this system. But you can get this answer not only in German. If you're not native US speaker, you can send this question on Spanish, but we make the short comment, and you will get the answer on Spanish. Like our artificial intelligence, moment, we have to explain here. We are using here, we are able to use all languages. Okay, you see, so like this is nothing magic. This is a simple system, and the system is working very well. And now I will show you how we can use it in your CAD work. Okay, now we have here everything, El Comando de AutoCAD, everything in Spanish about how we can use this command, creating a block. Okay, good. Let me start here with chat. Okay, what is chat? Chat mode is something different than the data mode. In chat mode, you can make a conversation with our artificial intelligence. Here in AI calculator, in generating of something, in research, you are looking for the database info. It's not a chat info. Here, you can make every kind of chat. For example, you can go here and so tell write a remark for my CAD drawing about copyright. Okay, you don't need the drawing. You can write here so in broken English like me, and now you will get a beautiful remark. All rights reserved. This CAD drawing is protected by copyright laws, unauthorized production, distribution. See? So very important thing is here that by law in the US, every answer what our artificial intelligence is generated is not copyrighted. Like you can use it how you want. This is a perfect decision because this makes now the developing of artificial intelligence very free. Like there's no problems to copy it, to use it. Like here in this case, we tell you, you generate it, it's yours, you can take it. Our artificial intelligence generated, but we have no possibility to copyright it. Okay, so this another situation is in internet. Let me go here, for example, to internet, to Google. So let me go here on Google.com and send this the same one over Google. Okay, so now you can see you can get a lot of info about, but we don't get the exact answer to your command. You know that Google write a remark. So you will find now a lot of pages where you can see the remarks, okay? See a lot of info, but not really the remark itself. And very important, if you will find now here this remark on one of these pages, you can't use it because this remark is copyrighted. Every internet page is copyrighted. This is a big difference between searching machine and artificial intelligence. And another big difference is here that here you can use keywords. If you communicate with artificial intelligence, please use the human language. It can be a broken English, like here my English, but it have to be in human language. For example, please write a short remark for my CAD drawing about the copyrights. Okay, so now you will not believe, but artificial intelligence like something like please, like something like correct language. You see, now we will get something different. Here you can see copyright, your name, your company name. Is everything now prepared for your company name? You can see another quality. So if this is very important thing, if you use a precise language, and you use a perfect language, and you communicate with artificial intelligence in very nice human language, you will get a perfect answers. It's very bad method to communicate with artificial intelligence are only the keywords. This is like with human being. You will not going to your work and tell short remark for copyright. There was what going on. You use this, please write me a short remark for copyrights. this you see, because we are using a natural language processing in the background, and natural language processing have to be natural, and if this language is more natural, you will get more natural answers. Very important thing. Here you can chat in every language. For example, wie geht es dir? This is now I chat on German, and you write. She will answer you on the German. Okay, this is how you can chat. Now, here chat with bot. What is chat with bot? This is something for more small talk. If you need some infos, good jokes, some recipes for something, our Elaine can you give everything. But very important thing, she can speak to you. So like if you go here, you can push this button. You can't hear it, but she's now speaking in perfect English. You can switch here, for example, to Portuguese. You can generate here this Portuguese joke, and she is speaking with you on Portuguese. On this kind, if you want, you can learn another languages. Yeah, you will, for example, if you want to tell something on maybe on English, or like me, I'm going it, and I hear how she's speaking it, and she speaks in perfect English, in perfect Portuguese, and perfect Polish Italian. This is artificial intelligence. She speaks perfect English. Okay, so now we're going to next one thing. This is where now we're going more to your CAD. What is an AI calculator? So what is AI calculator? The AI calculator is something different. Okay, in AI calculator, the sound quality is not good. Yeah, let me check. Somebody told me it's now better. Let me check it a moment. Somebody wrote me that the sound quality is not good. Is better now? Okay. Thank you, Ronald. Thank you, Ronald. I hope now is better. Okay, good. So let me go here. For example, of course, you can write here so very simple thing. For example, like 50° Fahrenheit plus 60° Celsius. How much is it? So, okay, and you can send it, and our artificial intelligence calculated. And as I told you, we are going faster and faster with our server. So now you have wait a few seconds, but maybe in 1 month you will waiting only or maybe small parts of the seconds. Oh, thank you, Ronald. You tell me there's better the quality. Okay, now. Okay, you can see first you need to convert 30 Fahrenheit the formula, and you can see, and now you can get it in Fahrenheit because we don't write here in what. So if you want in Fahrenheit, then write in Celsius, you write here in Celsius, bank. And now we know what you want. Here you can write a lot of different things. You can calculate almost everything. This is not a calculator, you know. You see now we have 40°. Okay, you can explain the solution, then we will exactly explain how we are working. We will tell you exactly about the Celsius, about the Fahrenheit, about how we are doing it. But this, you see, now you have here exact explanation how you can do it. But of course, you can go, for example, here and write something like this. Area of a circle with 2 meter radius in square feet. Okay. Okay, square feet. But let me make here square feet. Okay. There's no A. Because I told you there's artificial intelligence understand everything, and now you will get exact how you can calculate it. Okay, and you will get now the exact description of it. But of course, I have here very simple stuff. Yeah, you can calculate almost everything. We have now customers we can see in logs, they calculate so a lot of complicated stuff, a lot of in architectural drawings, and this works perfect. Try it simple, and you will see our AI calculator is another quality of calculator. Okay, so let me go now here to something very interesting. We have here a special email generator. Okay, but before I'm doing here, I will something. Okay, imagine you are like me, not a native US speaker. Not English is not your native language, and I want to send somebody something. He sent me a drawing with terrible layer structure. We sent him the policy about the layer structure, but he didn't take care for it. So, and for example, if you want to use you want to chat with him, you need it on a short text. This is what I'm doing here. I'm writing down here in broken English. Your DVG drawing was with a terrible layer structure. So, yeah. So we send you our layer structure policy, see? And please use it in the future. Send me only DWG with our layer structure. Can you see? Terrible English. And now see. Start the generation. Generate text in the following language about the topic as a short text. So, your most recent DVD drawing submission exhibited poor layer structure which is not in line with our standards. We have sent you a copy of a layer structure policy to guide in your creating better organized and efficient drawings. To avoid issues in the future, please ensure that your DWG submission will value consistency enforced in this year. Perfect. So if you want now to generate a letter, for example, about this, then go here and generate a letter. And now we will generate you an email or letter about this subject, like this next step. So because this was something for chat or maybe something for for notice, but now we will generate a about the subject email on a letter. Of course, it takes a little bit time. Let me wait here. Now, you say this is longer. I hope this message finds you well. This email is irrelevant to most recent drawing submission that our team received from you at your end. We value the partnership we have with you and appreciate your contribution towards our project. However, upon reviewing the last resolution, we have noticed that the layer structure utilizes perfect English, a letter or email about. Thank you again for understanding and attention of this matter. We look forward to visiting your drawing. So perfect English and perfect. So what you can do now here, if you want, you can go here again and for example, you can go here and generate the same text to subject on Spanish. Okay. Yeah, copy it again. And let me send, and now we'll get a perfect letter in perfect Spanish for somebody about the subject. So, but it's not everything. Yeah, I show you something. Then let me check it what's going on now here. It's now Spanish generation. Okay, now you got this in perfect Spanish. So you can translate an existing text. For example, I show you something. So let me go here. I put here a text in terrible English. Okay. Last time you sent me a PDF file from Scanner. This was not a native PDF, and your CAD system was not able to import its vectors. Please send me in the future only PDF with vector data. So I will translate it now. For example, this on. No, sorry. We have first to go again and to rewrite this text so that we have this text in a perfect English. Okay. The last time you sent me PDF file from Scanner, it was a native PDF on our CAD system, couldn't import it as vectors. Please, in the future, only send me PDF that contains vector data. Can you see the difference between? Fantastic. Now I am going here and send this one to somebody who is working in maybe in French or in Spanish. Maybe they work here in Spain and they send me the data. But it can be, so I will show you something. It can be that this translation, because this is only translation, you know, without the text correction. Every time after the translation, I recommend you to take this text and go and rewrite it again in Spanish, because this is another generator. You see, the first generator was translation, and you know the translations, you can know this translation from Google, from something, they are not 100%. Here you translate something and now rewrite this translation in Spanish into a perfect Spanish. There are not a lot of, let me check what changed here. No error, no, okay. And this is like what you can do with every translation. You can go, so if you have no problems with this kind of stuff, because this is one problem is here, you can't make any copyright infringements. You can take any text, and go here and rewrite it. So like our engine in the background make you this text as another text. I can't answer you, is this copyright infringement or not? This is maybe what I have, if you are doing something like this, professional, maybe you have to contact your attorney. But here you can see only the possibilities, okay, for it. And this is how we can work with rewriting text. I was trying, for example, to rewrite here these songs from Beatles, and I got another song from Beatles. This is a fantastic method. You can play with it a lot. Okay, but now we go to another subject. This is generate a code snippet. For example, you want now to make a new layer structure. So now we are able to generate for you a code snippet in Lisp, AutoLisp, Visual Lisp, Object RX, Visual Basic, DWG Script, C# and C++. Our code snippet generator works very well. Of course, you see this is new. We offer it last 3 months, but we was working last year on it. We have a lot of logs, and sometimes the code is not correct. You have to make some small correction. This is something more for developers, yeah. And but this is amazing possibility. Look, I'm going here and I am using Visual Lisp, and I need, for example, deleting of a specified layer. So I want to delete a specified layer. For example, I'm drawing, and every time the layer is there, I want to automatically delete it. And now the program, our Cat GPT, will generate for you immediately here a spatial code for Visual Lisp. This takes it a bit more time. And this Visual Lisp you can use in AutoCAD. You can use auch in other CAD systems. There are a lot of CAD systems they support Visual Lisp, and you see this is not only the source code for this Visual Lisp, but we also explain you exactly how you can use it. Okay. So the same you can do, for example, creating a block. For example, you can go here and tell me that we Visual Basic for creating a block. There's almost no subject we can't generate. So what we did, we took our source codes and we prepare it for artificial intelligence, and now you can generate here almost every subject what you need in your drawing. So this is, for example, a source code in Visual Basic. Okay, these are the column. Okay, let me go now here to CADGPT script. This is something interesting. You can generate here scripts for AutoCAD, and you can use it immediately in your AutoCAD drawing. This is a very fast method. This is better than to, for example, of course, you can go in AutoCAD and to record your script. Oh, this is not a script here for the AutoCAD. It is a Lisp. There is something wrong. Let me check it here. Layer. So exactly, maybe something. I check it here. JavaScript. Okay. No, because we have here some problems, but we are working on it a lot so that you can will find here as everything new. Let me check here this script. No, this is a Lisp. Okay, I have to check what's going on while it is not generating a script. Somebody tell me now in the background. Yeah, okay. Okay, this is good. We have to check it what's going on. But this is like you can here generate here a lot of code snippets. Let me go here to next subject. Okay. Here's something very interesting. So you can also ask our artificial intelligence how we can use AutoCAD, for example, if you have a specific project. For example, how we can use CAD in kitchen project in California. Okay, we have all infos about how we can work with CAD systems in another countries, another moment. We check it here. So let me wait here for the answer. And the problem is now here 3 p.m. This is the time we have a huge traffic on our computer. Okay, a few seconds and more. Okay, now we have here. You have here full plan how we can do it. For example, you can research CAD guidelines. Find CAD recommendation for example, ISO, International Standard Organization Norm for CAD text, for CAD text. That was he's looking now here for norms about CAD text, and she will find here a lot. But of course, here it's going in our database, it's looking for it. This is on our server, and our server has maybe now. So if somebody is asking me, how does the program distinguish itself from ChatGPT Expert UI? This is what I told you at the beginning. We upload, this is a fine tuning of ChatGPT. The answers, what I'm looking for, you will not get in from ChatGPT, because we upload into ChatGPT our database with over 120,000 different facts, We upload full reference manuals of our CAD software, and we are uploading on a daily about 1,000 to 2,000 new facts about CAD. So like what you see here is a fine tuning on Cat GTP. This is how it works. Yeah, this is not. Cat GTP is only an engine for something. It's the possibility to build something. What you are using maybe in Cat GTP is only the normal, not the commercial questions. Yeah, Cat GTP has no any idea about architectural planning. About, for example, you can go here and chat now here. What is I was on German. Well, I will ask it here for on German. I can't moment. You can ask here, put a lot of questions about about the CAD system. For example, the CAD commands. Yeah, you can explain the command and write here in English and write here, for example, for creating a block. Okay. CAD command, and you will get here exact inclusive the experimentation. So this is the big difference between this CADGPT and ChatGPT. Of course, in the background is an AI, and this is like a normal life. Yeah, you go, for example, to somebody and ask him something, and he has no, for example, about medical condition. Okay, we can see it in your life too. And you ask him, for example, oh, I have a problem with my hair. I lost my hair. What can I do? And he is giving you the answer. The person is maybe not a professional, is not has no medical background, but he will give you a few tips. He give you info about it. He give you and you can follow the tips if you want. And another thing is maybe you go to the doctor, who is a specialist in about hair, and you ask him what's going on, and he has a lot of experience, a lot of data about it, and give you the correct answer. This is the difference between between artificial intelligence or internet. You see here again. Here, if you go on Google and ask something, you will get here only the pages where you can find it. If you go on ChatGPT and ask something now, you will get an answer from somebody who is a dilettante, from somebody who has only the knowingness what you can find maybe internet. I don't know how they get the data. If you ask an expert system like our system, and this system is fine-tuned for CAD, you will get every time the correct answer. You understand see the difference? This is the big difference between this kind of systems. We offer another system. For example, this is something what another company is doing. We, for example, had GTP. We offer this today on the Mindetons, Low GPT. Low GPT is exactly something like this. This is a fine-tuned Cat GTP for every low question. We have here in our software already this low GTP, this version 2. You can go in chat and go to much write contract for CAD drawing for CAD service. So, okay. So the difference here, because CADGPT and our system is that we will give you a correct contract because our system is fine-tuned for CAD. The Google searching machines, Bing searching machines, and other systems for everything, they are not a specialist. This is the reason that we write an AI expert system for CAD users. This is not only an AI for CAD users. Yeah, let me check here, wait here for this contract, and you have here full written contract if you want to make any CAD drawings. The name of it is fine tuning. Okay, good. Okay, it's time now to end my webinar. So I told you in the beginning that we are working now on a system what will allow you in the future to generate the CAD drawings to the subject. First, we are working on now on architectural subject. We're almost ready. I think we will release it in about 1 or 2 months. Okay. This system is going better and better almost every day. So we find something. We have a lot of questions. We have a lot of feedback, and based on the feedback, we know what our users are expecting in this CAD system. So this almost every day was doing better and better. Almost every month now, every 2 weeks, we upload now a new version of this CADGPT. Simple download and try it. Okay. Thank you very much for your attention, and I wish you a lot of success in your work. Maybe download our software back2CAD.com for back2CAD.com, our software CAD Direct. If you want a little bit more about artificial intelligence methods, download this CAD Direct. This is an artificial intelligence CAD system. You will see how you can work now with AI CAD systems. And next week, I will speak more about this CAD system. I will show you what kind of AI functions we offer in our CAD system. Thank you very much, and see you maybe next week at the same time. Okay, bye-bye.